Hey guys, Chef Hannah here, and it's the new year, and today we're making French Toast Casserole, so let's get right into it. So your ingredients are, you'll need 1 loaf of French bread, you'll need 1 cup of milk and 2 cups and half, which we combined already. You need 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, you need 1/4 a teaspoon of cinnamon and nutmeg, and you'll need 8 eggs, which we already put in the bowl. So we'll need to combine our milk and half into the bowl. And now we'll add 2 tablespoons of the sugar. And now our vanilla extract. Make sure not to eat it or drink it because it is not tasty. And now our cinnamon. And now we'll add our nutmeg. And now we'll combine with our whisk. So now that I have this all mixed up, I can pour this into the casserole dishes. So we'll start pouring this in. And you want to get it all in between all the cracks and just let it soak all in. A great thing about this recipe is that if you have friends coming over, you can stick this in the fridge and then put it in the oven the next morning or the next day, and then it'll be ready just in time. So we'll start making our topping right now. So we have 1 stick of melted butter, we have 2 tablespoons of corn syrup, we have 1 cup of brown sugar, and 1/2 a teaspoon of our nutmeg and cinnamon sugar. So let's start mixing it all up. So now we'll pour the mixture over the French toast casserole. There we go. It's a little chunky, so you might want to smooth it out later. There we go. I love the smell of cinnamon sugar and nutmeg. It reminds me of the winter and the new year and everything coming together. I can't believe 2020 is already here. So now we'll put this in the oven. So you bake it at 350 degrees for about 40 minutes, and time to give it a try. Here we go. This is so good. So if you want to see more great recipes like this one, go to www.flycarstudios.com. See you next time.